I'm gonna go ahead and cover one of our sandals. Let's flip this back, throw this puppy underneath there. I like to cut a lot of this excess off right away, because it makes it harder for me. I'm going to have these kind of staggered, so I'm just going to have like one right here and one kind of facing up this way. Then I'm going to cover the other one. Right now I'm just going to place the other sandal, actually before I do that, don't place the other sandal on there until you do some of the roping on this one first. I should do that first. It'd be much easier. I'm just adding a little bit of water to, especially the curves here, so it'll stay nice and tight up against the sandal. And I did that a little bit back here too, and at the end. All right, we're going to do that again for the top. Another option of rolling the rope by hand is using a clay extruder. I got this at a craft store. Okay, what I'm going to do first is just put a little bit of water around the edges to help it stick. Start with the back first. Can be a little tricky being on the edge here. Just be a little patient. Maybe hold it for a second.